Guys, welcome back here to Summit Sunrise. Hanging out with Christy Lee from KL Creative Design. And first of all, let's tell everybody what KL Creative Design is.
Sure. KL Creative Design is a full-service web development group. We do everything from traditional websites, graphic design, mobile websites, mobile apps.
Okay, so pretty much everything.
Yes.
Okay. Now, when it comes to, let's say, someone is interested in building their website, or maybe they have one that's not ideal. Actually, so you guys know, Christy Lee is actually working on redoing our website here at TV8 Summit as we speak, because it just kind of leaves a little bit to be desired. Well, a lot to be desired. But with that in mind, what are some of the things that people should be thinking about when they create their website or when they redo their website? What would be a good thing to concentrate on?
So your website is people's first impression of you. Before they're leaving the house, they're looking online to check out your business, see where you are, see what you're about, what you might offer. So you want to make sure that that first impression is a positive first impression and also a memorable first impression. One of the things we really focus on is the branding, is how are you visually displaying yourself? Are you doing it in such a way that people will remember you? Are you turning anyone off with your colors? Are you giving them too much information with your branding?
So even just the layout of the page and the way that it looks, that's considered branding?
Right. Your colors, the shapes. People, when they look at something, they don't remember the specifics, but they do remember the colors and the shapes. They remember the general idea. They might remember what they felt when they looked at it, but they don't remember the specifics. So what sort of impression are you giving them with that? Interesting.
See, I mean, that's really a good idea. So maybe like if you have some yucky colors, I don't know, some colors that just aren't really working for you.
It's mostly going to be about figuring out what your target market is and then appealing to that target market. If you're relating to kids, then you want bright colors and you want bold primaries. If you're appealing to a older market, then you want different colors. That's going to appeal more to them.
So maybe if your ideal market is, guys that hunt and fish in their 30s, you may not want to have like the bright pinks and purples.
Exactly, no neons.
Princess themed page.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Huh, see, makes sense. But things that you may not think about when you're actually, putting together a website on your own or, trying to figure those things out. Now, I think a lot of people probably do try to go at it on their own just because it seems like it could be so expensive just to do a website. But I have to tell you, just from our perspective here at TV8 Summit, just sitting down with you, it's a lot more affordable than we ever thought it would be. And then you kind of take it a step further too. You kind of take the intimidation factor out of the process.
Right, we try to do that. We offer a project consultation where if you're thinking about building a website or a mobile app or something along those lines, we'll sit down with you for free and we'll just discuss your project. And we can give you some ideas of which directions might be best to go in, maybe give you some insight on if you have any current websites. We can, apply some insight to that as well, and just sit down with you and just talk about your project for a couple minutes.
See, that's amazing because you can get started. You can get an idea of what you need to do without necessarily having to, sign a contract, spend $1 million to do it. I mean, it's not anywhere close to that. And then the other benefit too of KL Creative Design is that you guys are located in Breckenridge, so you're local. That's amazing. So you don't have to go down to the Front Range to get that kind of service and be able to do some of those things. Even if you have an idea for your own iPhone app, they can help you out with that. You have your own.
We do, yes. Explore More is an altimeter app with a photo sharing feature. It will show you your current altitude, and then you can take a photo and it will stamp the photo with your altitude on the side there.
See, that's so awesome. Think about let's say if you're going over to Copper Mountain or maybe you are doing some hiking this summer. It's always kind of fun, especially on 14ers and things like that, to be able to be like, look what I did, Mom, or of course make your friends jealous on Facebook, right? So what's the best way for people to get in touch with you?
Right, so my website is klcreativedesign.com and my phone number is on the screen there.
All right, you guys, well, check it out. Christy Lee is our go-to person for redoing our website. We'll be very excited to debut it for you right here on the show coming up here soon. It's not quite ready just yet. So if you do look at our website, just know she's getting to work on it. But definitely give her a call if you have any questions. Thanks for braving the roads. They were kind of gross, huh?
They were a little slick, that's for sure.
All right, you guys, be careful driving out there. We'll be back with more Summit Sunrise, so don't go away.